Okay, so today you're unboxing. Turn it around so everyone can see it. Oh, let's zoom in there so everyone can see it. And so what do we have here?
The Lightning McQueen remote controller car.
Yeah, Lightning McQueen remote control car. So we're gonna do that unboxing today. So we're gonna open it and then play with it, right? So let's get this show on the road and let's get it opened.
Okay. Can I help you out? Here's a remote control. Remote control right here. Oh, ready to go?
Show the camera the remote control.
And remote control.
Walk up to the camera, get a little closer so they can see it. You can walk to the camera, walk to the camera. Get a little closer so they can see it. There we go. Show everybody Lightning McQueen car.
Lightning McQueen car.
Show it to the camera. Pick it up and bring it to the camera. Show it to everybody. Show them the car only.
It's Lightning McQueen. It has some wheels.
Yep.
It goes super fast. It has engine. Here's your phone. He has a wheel. He has some battery.
Yep.
Everything he has some.
Okay. Okay, so you ready to get this ball rolling and drive the car?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I think there's a switch on the bottom to turn it on.
What switch?
On the bottom of the car.
Oh.
Let's see if you turn it on. Oh, looks like it's on. I don't know if you'll need to charge it or not. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's ready to go. Wait. Okay, go. Oh, that thing is fast.
Yeah, I watched car.
Yeah, he is fast. Lightning McQueen. Whoa. Reverse and back. You got this hang on the ground. Whoa, there you go. Good job, reverse. Whoa, he is fast. All the other toys over here.
So, bye-bye, buddy. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.
All right, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
All right. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Show them one more time. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa.